Hi Cody, my name is Neandra Conrad, and here is a full website audit for Epic Roofing Contractors. There are three main things I wanted to talk with you today. First, we're going to review your Google business page. Second, we're going to review your website content. And third, we're going to talk about backlinks. So make sure to stay till the end of this video because I'm going to be showing you how you can double your traffic every month and generate more leads for your business. So the only thing I ask from you is a one-line feedback. Please reply to this email and let me know if you found this helpful. And if you can also let me know if you're interested in knowing next steps, that's going to be helpful for me as well. So let's get to it. So when a customer is searching for a service, they usually Google it. I went ahead and searched up roofing companies in Provo, Utah, because that's where you're located. And this area right here is what we call the Google Map Pack, right? And to the left of this map right here are what we call Google Business Profiles, or GBP for short. Now, you can only see the top 3 businesses in the area, and that's why you want to optimize your GBP. I'm going to give you some tips on how to do that. So I actually found you guys on the 44th spot of Google on the 3rd page. So there's definitely room for improvement because you want to be found on these top 3 spots at Google because this is where most of the traffic and leads go to. And this is where 30% of your business should come from, right? So the first thing you need to note is you want to add more photos. And 245 seems a lot, but your main competitor I just looked at has over 400 plus photos, right? So you want to add as much photos as your competitor, if not more, and that should boost your rankings as well. So continue to add quality photos, and that's going to help. The next thing I wanted to mention are reviews. So right now you guys have 44 reviews, and I believe your main competitor has over 200. So make sure to encourage your clients to leave reviews for your business. And if you have reviews from outside sources like Yelp or Facebook, definitely import that in your GBP as well, and it should help your rankings. The third thing I wanted to mention here is what we call a citation. A citation is basically your name, address, and phone number as it appears on your business and how many times that appears on the internet. So you typically want to have more citations than your main competitor because this is going to make your website a lot more credible and your business a lot more credible in Google's eyes. So I'm pretty sure you've heard of citation sites like Yelp or BBB. There's definitely a lot more citation sites out there. So take your name, address, and phone number and also register your business to all those citation sites, and you should be good on the ranking. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to mention here is your website. We're going to review your website content. So first of all, I do love the layout of your website. It looks very nice, but this is what I tell all my clients is you could have the nicest looking website in the entire planet, but if no one can find it, then it's not going to do your business any good, right? And this is why SEO is super important. So the first thing I wanted to mention here is your website content. So this counts as website content. This counts as website content. You want to have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your website. And if you have other service pages like residential roofing, you also want to include more words on here. Right now, you do have a good amount of words, so great job on that. But within this content, you want to add as much buyer intent keywords. So a buyer intent keyword is basically what customers are potentially searching for on Google when they're looking for your service. So an example of that is roofing companies in Provo, Utah, right? You can even be more specific to what you have, like roof repair in Provo, Utah. Those are all buyer intent keywords you want to include in your website, and that should help your search rankings. Okay, so next I'm going to pull up my web crawler program to show you how your website is performing on the back end and compare that to your main competitor. So these are your numbers right now, and you are using 62 of those buyer intent keywords, so that's not bad. Let's take a look at your main competitor. So your competitor is using around 145 keywords, right? So they have like more than double what you have. And this is why they're ranking first on Google. So you want to know what other keywords they're using for their website and add that to yours. And that should make your website start ranking for these keywords as well. And the next number I wanted to talk about is what we call a backlink. right here. So basically, a backlink is a link from a separate website that links back to your website. This is also a credibility factor for Google, and the more backlinks you have over your competitor, the more Google will recommend your business. So right now, Roofer Provo, Utah has around 359 backlinks, and you guys have 56, right? And that is a huge difference. And this is why they're ranking first on Google, right? Because when Google sees this, they see 359 websites vouching for Roofer Provo versus they only see 56 websites vouching for Epic Roof. And this is why they're recommending Roofer Provo to anyone who searches for roof repair. And that's kind of just a scratching the surface lesson of how SEO works. But I really hope this helped you and that you start implementing the things that we talked about. This is what I do for a living, and I quite enjoy it because I do love helping small businesses or businesses like yours grow. Because for me, I love it when I can help people save money. I hate it when businesses spend so much money on ads without understanding what it does for their business. So this is why I love giving value. And in the beginning of this video, I did ask for that one-line feedback. Please let me know if you found this helpful, and if you can also let me know if you're interested in knowing next steps. That would be helpful for me. Again, my name is Yandra Conrad, and thank you so much for watching this video.